Hello everyone, in this video we'll see binary trees, post-order traversal. Post-order traversal is one of the three traversal methods. So in this video we'll have one tree and we'll do the post-order traversal and we'll print the datas. We have three sets of trees in this one and we'll do manual operations and how do we read the post-order traversals, and then we'll write the Visual Studio C# code. Okay, here I have one tree. Here I have one binary node, the node having data and right and left pointers, and this is a typical binary node. And here I have some code snippet written, and this is the, for illustration purpose, I've written this right, left and data. Okay, this is the way how we access this post order traversal algorithm is. First we have left and right and then data. If this data comes and before the left pointer, it is called pre-order traversal, and if it lies in middle of this left and right, then it is an in-order traversal. If it is at the end, then it is a post-order traversal. This one, it is a post-order traversal. This order is in the aspect of data, not in the aspect of right and left. And this condition is also not possible. It should not be first right and then left and then data. This is wrong. First, it should be access the left side data and then right side data and then data. So this is pre-order, this is in order, and this is post-order. Okay. Here I have some code snippet written, name the post order, and it expects some root node. If this incoming node is null, then I'll return to the main code. And here in this one, post order means first you have to travel at the left side and you have to travel at the right side and then print the content. Okay, here I triggering the left side node, so whatever it's there in the left side, then again it will go and again it will go. Then if it is encountering, it is the value is null, the node is null, then it will return. Okay, here I have three typical examples of this binary tree. I have full set and have some missing nodes and have some skewed like structure. And we'll see what's this post order traversal, how do we manually do this, and then we'll switch back to the actual code. Okay, first in this example itself, this code, we are first going to the left and then right and then printing the content. Okay, here I have 10, so I'll go to the left and again it is triggering the left, and then I'm checking the right or left are there, so nothing is there, so I'll print this 40 and then I'll come back and then I'll search for the right is there, because once right is done we are triggering for the left. So 50 is there, so I'll print I'll check for next, nothing is there, so 50 and then 20 I'll print and then I'll come for 10 and then I'll go to the left side, on right side, and then 30 is there and then I'll trigger the 60. Here nothing is there, so I'll print it and then I'll go here and I have this 70, then nothing is there right or left, I'll print 70, I'll go to this 30, then I'll print it and then it actually ends to the 10 and then exits the program. Okay, so what's my output is, first I'll given this 10, I'll travel to the right, here it is 40 and then it traveled to the right side, so 50 and then 20 and then it goes here with the deposit is 30, 60 and then it comes to the right side, so it is 70, and then it goes to the above and 30, and then it is 10. Okay, once it goes to left side, right side, and then the content is okay. You must understand this procedure. First left, and then right, and then content. Now in this example itself, we'll see the post order traversal with the help of one stack. So the recursion calls internally maintains a program stack. Those are all will be done by the compiler, and this insertion, which means the pushing into the stack, popping it out, which means removal, and these are all things will be taken by the compiler itself. So we no need to care of it, but we can just insert these nodes in the stack, and we'll see whether the same output we are retrieving or not. So post order traversal, we have to write the code in form of like if null, then we'll return. If it is having left, we'll first travel, and then right will travel, and then we'll print the data. Okay, now I have this node 10. I'll push it to the stack, so 10, and I have to check right and left. First we'll check left, so left is there, so I add 20, and then I have to check, go to the left, and then check the node, it's having 40, and then I'll see whether I have right or left. Nothing is there, so what I do is I'm popping out and printing. So printing is 40, and I'm removing, and then I have to do the right side operation. So next 50 it's added, and for 50 I'm checking right or left, so nothing is there, so I'll take that out and print it. Okay, now 20 is there. I completed this right and left, so I'll take it out and print it. So comma 20, and then I have to do this right side operations. So I have 30, so add this 30 inside. Then I have to go the left and right, so first I'll take care of the left side, so I'll add 60, and for 60 also I have to take care of right and left, so nothing is there. I'll return. Here I am removing and printing 60, and then my left side operation is done. Now I have to take care of the right side, so 70 is there, so I'll add it, and when 70 is added I have to check right and left, so nothing is there. I'll print it and remove it from the stack, 70, and remove it, and then I did my job with right and left, so I'm just popping it out, so 30 is printed, and for 10 also left and right is done, so I'm popping it out and printing. So our recursion based traversing of this example is exactly same when we are using stack also. So this can be done internally with the help of stack only. Recursion is working. Okay, now we'll see two more examples, and how this is working. I have 10. With this 10 node, and first what I'm doing is I have to go to the left, right, and then have to print the content. So I have 10, and I'm going this side, and here, so 40, and then what's there is 20, and then comes back here, and here right is there. So in this one I'll go deeply inside, so 60, 30, and then 10. Okay, so my answer will be 40, then nothing is there, so I'll come back here, 20, and then 30 is there, and I'm going to the side of 30, and then inside of it 60 is there, and I'm coming back, 30 is there, after that 10 I'm printing. Okay, in this example I have 10, so I'll go to this 20, so I'm checking right side, nothing is there, and then I'll go to the left, and I'm going still just left, and I'm going, then right or left is there. So what I do is, first I have 60, and then I'll go to the 70, and then come back to the 50, and then comes to the 30, and then 20, and then 10. Okay, so my answer will be 60, 70, and then 50, 30, and 20, and then 10. Okay, this will be my output. Okay, we'll switch back to Visual Studio Code, and we'll write the program for this, and then we'll check that how it works. Yeah, I have this code basic setup, and use the necessary importings, and here I have class called node, and it having some properties for int data, and I have two pointers right and left, and I have constructor which takes x argument and assign to the data, and right and left are initialized to null. In the main program I have this these three representation as a code. Here the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one, and corresponding call for post order traversal is made in these three lines. So here I am going to write the code as void post order, and here int not root node I have to write, so node star root. If this root node is null, then return. First I have to travel roots right, so roots left, and then I have to traverse root right, and then I have to print the content root data. Now format the document. Okay, here first line I'm function method, I have node pointer called root. If root is null, I'll return, then I'll start the left side and then right side, and then I'll print the data. So I'll uncomment all these three lines to make this post order call. Post order, and here also post order. Okay, now our code is ready to run, so format the document and run. Okay, now we have output for this all three datas: 40, 50, 20, 60, 40, 50, 20, 60, 731, 731. Okay, next 40, 20, 60, 30, 10, 40, 20, 60, 30, 10, and then 60, 70, 50, 60, 70, 50, 30, 20, 10, 30, 20, 10. Okay, all our output is working perfectly, all our test cases are passing. Okay, I hope you understood the problem and solution, and thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.